Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the task reminders in the 24Me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And then just scroll down. And at the tasks section, just click on the task reminders button. And as you can see, you can set it for specific times, like 30 minutes before, an hour before, or even a day before. So just set it to whichever you prefer, and then just click on done, and your reminders are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.